Well, what do we have here? We got ourselves a 2019 Keystone Montana High Country. This, folks, is an awesome family unit. It does have the mid-bunk. Look at the underbelly storage. We got an outside fridge, 2-burner stove. The model number, by the way, is 385BR. Outside speakers, power awning, solid steps. Do have the ladder. It does come from our store originally. Very good customer of ours. Bought another new trailer from us. 3 more slides over on this side, folks. This is a 50 amp power connection because it does have 2 ACs. There's a very nicely organized wet bay. Look at this beautiful fiberglass front cap with LED lights within the cap. Outside does look good. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Montana High Country with the mid-bunk. Ah, folks, take a look at this. This is no entry-level fifth wheel. All right, 4 chairs and a table. That table does extend. Those chairs do have storage. Look at the windows in the slide with the MCD blinds. Thomas Paine theater seats, and they're power operated, as you can see. Towards the rear, we do have a extra wide sofa that does convert into a bed. In front of the theater seats, we got a fireplace that does throw out some heat. We got a Furrion TV that can come out and swivel on both sides, as well as speakers on both sides. Beautiful, beautiful center island with an LED light down low. Solid service countertops. We do have a 60/40 stainless steel sink with a residential style faucet. We got the oven, 3-burner stove, microwave. I definitely see a coffee maker right here. Look at the storage. A little extension here on the center island. Let's check out the pantry. Pantry with a motion sensing light. Love it. This electric fridge, residential style, does have a ice maker. Look at all the storage here within this center island. Love it. Let's keep going. All right, as you walk in, you got the office, the mid-bunk for the kids, maybe a storage room. Definitely see a computer. There's connections over on this side, or you can put a TV. There are cable connections as well. Lots of storage. So this could be, yeah, office, room for the kids, place for the dogs. All right, we're in the hallway. Here's the control center. Steps going up to the loft area. Awesome. Let's keep going. Going to the bathroom? Nah, let's go right to the bedroom. How about that? Let's go straight to the master bedroom. Yes, that is a king-size bed. Beautiful dresser here. Does come with another TV. That slide out does have opposing windows for great cross ventilation. Towards the front cap, look at the closet space. We're not done. We got more closet space. Bam! Motion sensing light. Look at the room, and guess what? You can live in this thing! Oh my goodness, I crapped myself up. Okay, bathroom. Again, solid surface countertops, a fiberglass shower with a corner seat, skylight, a well-placed fan, medicine cabinet. How about a porcelain toilet? And you want to see some storage? And they're super deep. All right, guys, so if you do like what you're seeing, oh my goodness, that is a spring-loaded step, so nice and easy bringing that in and out. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, If you like what you're seeing, please give us a call. Talk to one of our very friendly sales staff today to book an appointment, and we'll get this beautiful coach here ready for you. And you never know, maybe you'll take it home. Bye for now. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.